guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina if you are new here, and today we're going to be doing my probably most requested video on my channel. Literally. I probably get requested to do this on every single video that I upload, so I'm finally going to do it for you guys. So as you guys can tell from the title, this is going to be a room tour. I'm so excited to do this. I absolutely love my room, and when I came back from college because of COVID, I really wanted to just completely redo my rooms, and I just really love the way that it came out, and I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. This is what you see when you first walk in. The first thing that I have is string lights, and these go all the way around my room, and I also have the LED strip lights, and I got these from my dorm room 2 years ago, and I just brought them here. And I also have this lamp, and I have all of my lights connected to my Google Home, so I can say, hey Google, turn all the lights on. So yeah, and then it turns on all of the lights. So I have my TV, which is mounted on the wall, and I also have a Chromecast so I can watch YouTube videos and stuff. And it's one of the type of mounts that you can like move around and stuff. Down here, I just have this little wicker bucket thing that I got just got at Ocean State Job Lot just so it can hold extra blankets and stuff. And then over there, I have a floor pillow, which I used to have this on my bed at my dorm, but then I just moved it here because I have way too many pillows. So then I have my ukulele and my guitar. So I got all the vines on Amazon for, I think it was like $15 for like 2 huge bags. I think this is half of the bag, and they gave me 2 whole bags. There's so many vines. I was literally giving vines out to my friends because I had so much. So I will link that below if you guys want to go check those out. The curtains on my window are just sheer, and I got these at Lowe's for literally like $3. And here's my bed. So this throw blanket is from Target, and my bedspread is also from Target. This is one of like the quilts. This pillow came in the set with the quilt. These 2 pillows are from Target. Actually, all of my pillows are from Target, and all of my sheet sets. So I have a ton of pillows. These blue ones, these ones don't have pillowcases on them because they're in the wash, and yeah. And then this is the infamous wave poster that I'm in love with. I remember seeing this in the store and I got it right away. And I think I was in Boston and I saved it for months until I got home from school. And here's my Polaroid wall. So these are just Polaroids I've taken. This isn't all my Polaroids, but this is just a couple. I actually just got new film yesterday, so I'm excited to take a bunch more. I also have a random Polaroid over here. I don't know why. And then this rug I got on Amazon for like 15 bucks, and it's actually such good quality, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, you can really see my flip-flop tan line. So then for my desk area, it looks a little messy underneath, okay, so for my desk area, this is just a little surfboard that says my name on it. This is a whiteboard calendar from Target, and this mirror, this is actually from Walmart. So this letterboard is from Michael's, and here's my hydro flask. And this is my new laptop that I just got. I actually unboxed it yesterday, so excited about this. It's literally beautiful. It's a beast. My AirPods, my phone, iPad. This is my old laptop, which I'm going to trade in. This little plant I got at Target, and this lamp I also got at Target. It's super cute. And it's my Google Home. So my actual desk is one of the Alex desks from IKEA. So this is just like the half one. Let's see, this is all just random stuff. Random stuff. It's like organized chaos. This is all like my makeup stuff. I'm really not gonna get in depth on all of this. And this is kind of like nails and skincare stuff. This is also just random stuff. So under my desk, I have a little trash can, some Febreze disinfecting wipes. Those are all of the textbooks that I have to go return to my school. That paper bag is full of stuff for an upcoming video. And this is my stool that I don't even know where I got it, but it's like kind of tinted blue. This is my power strip. So this is a smart power strip, and this is what controls my Google Home. So over here I have this half moon chair, and this is from Target. I got this a couple months ago, and I'm so happy because it is probably my favorite thing, and this is why I love having the TV that will like rotate, so I can like turn it and sit here if I want to watch YouTube videos and stuff. This is my closet. It is also jam-packed and organized. There's a spider. The reason that I don't keep my strip lights on is because they kind of create like lines on the screen when I'm taking videos, so I usually keep those off. And this is my closet. There's a lot of stuff in here. I have all my sweatshirts up there, shirts, skirts, shorts. These are all like t-shirts and sweaters. And so this whole shelving unit I got at Target. On top of it, I have this surfboard picture frame, and I got this at Water Country, which is a water park. I don't know if there are a ton. This is so cute. I just have a picture of me and my little cousins at Water Country. And this is the wave painting that I painted before my freshman year of college, and I love this. This is probably one of my favorite things I've ever painted. And then behind it, I have a picture of Boston, which I'm getting a new frame for, so I can hang that up because it's really pretty. This is also a whiteboard from Target. These are all of my paintbrushes I just keep up here. This is a candle that my cousin got me for my birthday or Christmas, and it smells really good. These are battery powered string lights. This bin really needs to be organized. This is the iPad and AirPods for the giveaway. This is my Apple Watch. I don't know why it's here. Okay, I have beeswax pellets because I want to make lip balm. So I got all these lip balm tubes, so maybe I'll make an Etsy and I'll start selling lip balm. So I have that. This is my Curology package that I haven't opened yet. I have a bunch of perfumes here, so these are all like, I got like a Marc Jacobs Daisy like sampler thing because I really wanted to try them all. This is another perfume. So these fake plants all right here are from like the dollar section of Target. This is a little thing for bracelets and like accessories and necklaces. These are my little clips that I got in Hawaii. Oh, I got this little wicker bin from Target, and this is what has all of my scrunchies. I like keeping them all in one place, and I also have some fabric masks in here that are clean, just for easy access. And I also have some sunglasses, and yeah. So then I have a picture frame of me and two of my best friends, and this is one of my room sprays. This is Endless Weekend by Bath and Body Works, and this literally makes your room smell like Bath and Body Works. And I also have my Taylor Swift Wonderstruck perfume back here. Then I have some books. So I have Milk and Honey. This is kind of like a note taker. This is a travel notebook that I'm gonna bring with me when I do travel at some point. This is a blank notebook that I haven't started yet, and this is the one question a day book. Over here I have camera stuff. Usually I have my DSLR just sitting here, and I have a couple of lenses, my Polaroid, my lens for my new camera, which I haven't gotten my new camera yet, so I'm gonna wait to open it until I do get that, and then some film. And this bin has all of my camera stuff basically. So this is my GoPro. So yeah, this has my GoPro and all of its accessories and mounts and stuff. So I keep that in there, and I also have my DSLR in here with some lenses and also my drone. And this also has like chargers, wires, just a bunch of stuff. So. And then here, this is all athletic clothing. So I have like spandex, like athletic shirts, shorts, sports bras, all that stuff in here. And this bin is all like crop tops and stuff like that. So stuff that I don't really have to hang up because it's so tiny. And this is my bin of swimsuits. And this one is so jam-packed. Literally, I'm always trying to like shove it down. Literally so many bathing suits. And this bin is all of my arts and crafts stuff. So I have everything you could possibly think of. I have mini canvases, notebooks, string for bracelets, embroidery needles, watercolor paper, other canvases, all this embroidering thread, so much of it, markers, pom-poms, fabric Mod Podge, like, and then at the bottom is all paints. So much stuff. And then over here I have extra canvases that are way too big that will not go anywhere else. Oh, this is all falling over. I just have my purse, which literally doesn't have a place that it goes. It just goes wherever it wants. This is my backpack that I use most often. My tripod, ring light, and then I also have my Converse. These are my like frat shoes, like my dirty Converse. And then I have these cute sandals and my ring light and some flip-flops. So that's kind of just like a messy little corner, which like that stuff has nowhere else to go. So I also have a ton of storage under my bed, like my volleyball bag, extra bed sheets, my surfing bag, just a ton of stuff. That is basically my whole room. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to go do that and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.